Hello and welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we're diving into the 5 best keyboard apps for iPhone to help you upgrade your typing experience. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list is Fleksy with a 4 out of 5 star rating from over 816 reviews. Fleksy is officially the world's fastest keyboard, known for its fun and customizable features that help you find and share content from the web. Here are 3 of its standout features. Swipe left to delete words faster. This simple gesture replaces the backspace button, making it incredibly efficient to correct your typing. Share songs, videos, and more. Fleksy allows you to search for and send media directly from your keyboard. Your favorite GIFs and memes, you can easily express yourself with a massive library of GIFs and animated stickers. Now let's take a look at the app's user interface. When you open Fleksy, you are greeted with a simple main menu. Tapping on themes shows you a variety of colorful designs to customize the look of your keyboard. Next we have extensions, which lets you add powerful tools like a number row or cursor control. Finally, under More, you can explore additional settings and features to truly personalize your typing experience. At number 4 on our list is Typewise, which has a 3.8 out of 5 star rating from 779 reviews. This app is designed to help you make 4 times fewer typos and provides 100% privacy with its revolutionary hexagonal layout. Here are 3 standout features. World-class autocorrection. This intelligent feature learns your writing style to provide perfect word suggestions, reducing typing errors. Swipe your typos away. With a simple left swipe, you can easily delete a word without needing to find the backspace key. Multilingual support. The keyboard automatically switches between languages as you type, making it effortless to communicate in different languages. Let's take a look at the app's user interface. On the home screen, you get a quick overview of the app. Tapping on Pro shows you the premium features you can unlock, like more themes and personalized suggestions. Game mode lets you test your typing speed and accuracy. In settings, you can customize everything from the layout to the swiping behavior. Finally, under themes, you can select a variety of different visual styles to personalize your keyboard. At number 3 is the Grammarly keyboard with an impressive 4.7 out of 5 star rating from over 187,000 reviews. The Grammarly keyboard is designed to help you create polished writing with real-time feedback and AI assistance all within your iPhone's apps. Here are 3 of its most powerful features. Detect, Cite, and Stay Original. This feature is built to help you ensure your writing is unique and properly sourced. Get instant rewrites. In just a couple of taps, you can generate entirely new versions of your message adjusted for length or tone. Sound like yourself, not like AI. Grammarly help refine your voice, ensuring your writing maintains a human touch even with AI assistance. Now let's take a look at the app itself. The main menu has a few key tabs. My Grammarly is where you can view your personal writing statistics and see how your writing has improved over time. The keyboard tab allows you to manage settings like your language preferences and keyboard appearance. Under Insights, you can get a detailed breakdown of your writing habits. Finally, the Account tab lets you manage your subscription and other personal details. At number 2, we have Microsoft SwiftKey with a 4.6 out of 5 star rating from over 116,000 reviews. Microsoft SwiftKey is an intelligent keyboard that learns your personal writing style, including your slang and emojis, to help you type faster and more accurately. Here are 3 features that make it stand out. Learns your writing style. The keyboard adapts to your unique word choice, phrases, and emojis to provide truly personalized predictions. Fast and accurate. With its smart autocorrect and predictive text, SwiftKey helps you get your point across quickly and without errors. Emoji predictions. It learns which emojis you use most often, suggesting them as you type to make communication more expressive and fun. Let's walk through the app's user interface. When you first open it, you land on the Home tab, which gives you an overview of the app's main features. Tapping on Settings opens a detailed menu where you can fine-tune things like typing behavior, language options, and sound. The Themes tab is where you'll find dozens of free and paid designs to customize your keyboard's look. Lastly, the Languages section lets you enable up to 5 languages at once so you can type without constantly switching. At number 1, the top spot on our list is Gboard with a 4 out of 5 star rating from over 53,000 reviews. As a Google product, Gboard is a feature-packed keyboard that integrates the power of Google directly into your typing experience. Here are 3 of its top features. Emoji search. This makes it incredibly simple to find the perfect emoji without endlessly scrolling through categories. Google search. You can search and share anything from a restaurant to a news article right from your keyboard without switching apps. Customizable themes. Gboard offers a wide variety of themes, allowing you to personalize the look and feel of your keyboard to match your style. Let's take a look at the app's user interface. Tapping on Languages allows you to add multiple keyboards so you can switch between them easily. Keyboard settings gives you control over things like haptic feedback and predictive text. The Themes section lets you choose from a wide variety of colors and even use your own photos as a background. Stickers is where you can find and manage your sticker packs. Finally, in search settings, you can customize your search preferences, including whether to search your contacts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.